Imagine stepping into your architectural designs before they're built, feeling the sunlight patterns, the wind flow, the energy efficiency all in real time. Hi, I'm Michel Francis, Assistant Professor of Practice at the School of Architecture and Design. The Sustainable Architecture Lab is more than just a course. It's a revolution in how we approach design. In the Sustainable Architecture Lab, we prioritize critical thinking and creativity. We use active learning, workshops, simulation, and analytical thinking. We use technology to facilitate and enhance the process of creating and validating architectural designs. We even dive into virtual reality. You'll experience your design from the inside out, gaining a deeper understanding of how they'll function in the real world. Join me in the Sustainable Architecture Lab. Let's push the boundaries of architecture and lead the charge for a sustainable future.